Today I'm going to be introducing to you this medicine. This is light soup pepper soup. You can call it fish pepper soup. You can call it light soup pepper soup recipe. Yeah, I call it medicine because of the herbs that are involved in this soup. Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you everything I have used. If you're interested, take your chair and sit down. Sometimes people don't value what they have until when they don't get to see that opportunity again. So this is herbs that I know my mom used to make over the years. She doesn't just make this alone for us or my dad, but she went ahead to do this for several other people at the time. So I got married and I discovered my husband has sinus situation and I introduced this to him. And ever since he likes me making this. If you're going through inflammation, you're going through bone pain, headache, you're lacking strength, this is for you. Do you have any child running fever, joint pain, headache, whatsoever? This is something you want to try out and say thank you. You are surely going to come back and say thank you, guys. Try this with plantain especially. Make sure you have enough plantain. You can add a couple of potatoes or yam if you have. So this is my plantain. I'm going to make pepper soup out of this. I've gone ahead to clean my plantain very well. This is unripe plantain. And I have some potatoes because I want it to be enough. And I added some stockfish. And here is my pepper soup spice. I'm going to add it in. I'll show you other things that I'm going to be adding to this pepper soup. And I'll tell you why you should make your pepper soup this way. The reason why you should make your pepper soup this way is for health reasons, especially if you're having sinuses. I'm also going to add crayfish. If you're always going through inflammation, if you're always under the weather when it's cold season, if you're always running fever, if you're always having headache, joint pain, and all of those things, this is the kind of pepper soup you need. I'm also going in with bonga fish. If you don't have bonga fish, don't worry about it. I blended bonga fish because I went to Nigeria. I blended some more bonga fish. If you must know, bonga fish will help your food to come out more tastier. This is my brown peppers, which is called Cameroon pepper. I'm also going to add fresh pepper, but we want it very spicy because my husband is going through sinuses. You all know it's very cold right now. So we just came back from Nigeria and my husband requested for this special light soup recipe. So guys, in this recipe I'm using plantain peel. This is unripe plantain and it's very healthy. Go and look this up. I have lemon here and I have onion. This is red onion. I have scotch bonnet, I have ginger, I have garlic, and I have some lemon sticks. Okay, I have some paprika peppers. I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this together. I'm also going to add bitter leaf to this and I'll blend. So guys, this is my asa fish. I soaked it with hot water and salt. This is my asa fish. I soaked it with hot water and salt. You can also put it in a microwave, add your salt, add your water, wash properly. Make sure you get all the sound in it out and okay. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this nicely behind the camera so I can add it to the pepper soup. So go ahead, clean your fish nicely. I've gone ahead to clean my asa fish very nicely. I'm going to add it to the pepper soup. I added some water, guys. This is my plantain and stockfish and the potatoes cooking well. Add more water. You can add fresh fish, like I'm going to add fresh fish also. But I want some of this dried fish. I want my husband to enjoy this very well. I also want to enjoy this very well. And you guys know I don't eat fresh fish. So for me to be able to, you guys know I don't eat fresh fish. For me to be able to enjoy this, I have to add some smoked fish. Of course, I have it and I added. If you don't have, just go ahead and use what you have. All right, I'm going to add some fresh fish and then we'll add the vegetables. We add the herbs, which are the leaves. I'll show you one after the other. And here we go. I'm going to go in and add my blended herbs and my fresh peppers I also blended scent leaf into the herbs. My red snapper, guys. I love to use red snapper a lot because it's a beautiful fish. I'm going to go in and add, just season it well. And just add it in. Guys, here are my fishes. I'm going to go in with my lemon and lime leaves. This is my lemongrass leaf. I'm going to add it in. Add all these herbs. It's like I'm going to change the pot because it's already too full. But let's see what happens. All of these herbs will be very helpful. Honestly, for your lumps, if you have sinuses, go ahead and try all of these lemon leaves, lime leaves, lemongrass leaves, mango leaves. Imagine all these herbs in this pepper soup, guys. I know you say this is a lot, but yeah, wherever you are, please do this. It will help you because of this weather right now. This is very healthy, guys. Try this. I'm always sharing with you incredible recipes. These are recipes that will help you. Very good for your health. Very, very good for your family. If you have anyone suffering from sinus. My husband has a terrible sinus situation, and over the years, these are the kind of herbs I've made for him. Thank God I have a garden at my backyard, and I really bless God that I came back from Nigeria till this January. My garden is still flourishing. I don't know how, but God did it. I still have lemongrass, mango leaves. I still have lime leaves. I still have lemon leaves. Like, I don't know how God did this. But go ahead and plant these things if you have a little space at your backyard. And honestly, this will be very helpful. I've been using this. Avocado leaves, all of these things have been very helpful. Yam leaves. I plant these things because of our health situation. My bitter leaves were still flourishing as at when I came back this January. Isn't God amazing? These are very healthy herbs that you can have in your environment, and you use it at your leisure. Thank you. This is our pepper soup, guys, with the mango leaf inside. So guys, I'm going to enjoy this. I already served my hubby, and today I'm trying this tilapia. I'm trying this fish like this today. Red snapper fish. I really do not like eating it fresh like this, but I'll try it. I'm cold, guys. Let me try this. Just really good. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this now. I am very cold. If you have learned one or two from this pepper soup recipe, please give it a massive thumbs up. Thank you all so much. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. Share this video to your family, friends, and loved ones. It's going to be helpful. Subscribe if you haven't done so.